In this video, guys, I'm going to show you how you guys can create a YouTube banner after you guys have uploaded a YouTube logo. So click here and then click on home button. Now click on create a design. Now go like YouTube banner. So just type here like a YouTube banner, and so I'm just going to use like a YouTube banner for this video purpose. And as always, you will need to put your name YT banner so that you are not confused when you guys are exporting. And you can also see there is a template given by Canva itself. Alright guys, so you can use these templates and you can customize according to this template as well. For example, I want to use this one here. It seems like techie, so I'm gonna use this. And with this, you can also edit every single colors and details, whatever you want to say. All right, so let's say I'm going to delete this to trash, delete image, and you will need to upload here your image. So go to upload. So I've uploaded this image right here. I'm gonna upload this image over there. Just like dragging and dropping over there. All right, so I've uploaded this image recently. So just dragging and dropping is enough for getting your profile picture or your logo on your banner. You can do any customization over here. So I'm going to change this technology review to something like how to tutorials maybe, and I'm gonna name this like Techoid 2 gadget and technology. I don't think so. I do like a tutorial, so like how to take, let's say like that. I have no idea what I'm doing, but you will need to use some your creative. Just use this as a template, and a new video every week. I'm gonna say like new video every day. So it's up to you guys. You can customize according to your need. All right, so you can also change color, I guess, but only on like some portion, not on every single portion. As you guys can see, I'm not able to change the color. You can see a color over here if I choose this one. So let me choose a color. Well, that seems really dark. What about if I choose dark and this as a red? But I am not able to choose this as a red, which I guess this is beautiful as a default one. I like this one as well. It's a good one. So you can also change this color. I'm gonna change this to maybe red because this is my theme of the channel. The red seems to be kind of like really vibrant. I'm gonna use the color picker and decrease the red opacity, and you can see it's just look like minimal. And this is what I wanted to. If you wanted to expand the font, or if you wanted to add the font, you can still do that by going to text, or you can still use like, you can select this and you can do like duplicate, and you can bring this text. You can edit the text like whatever you need to. Like for example, let's say you wanted to add the Facebook, your Facebook names. You can use that as well, and you can bring the Facebook logo from here as well. By clicking on this element, you can bring like Facebook logo and go to graphics, and there you go. I'm gonna bring this Facebook over here and resize this. Let me make it bigger because it's kind of messy. And let's say you wanted to name your Facebook. I'm gonna name this like Techoid 2. So this is how you should be including your Facebook and Instagram or whatever you wanted to. All right, so you can do for every social media like this. And I guess you will need to put your name and all stuff in middle instead of going on more right. And once you guys are happy, then you will need to click on the share button and click on download. And same thing, it's suggesting you like a PNG, so click in download, and it's downloading you a YT banner. Well, there you go. This is a YT banner. Now go to channel customization as always, and you can change the banner from here. Let's say YT banner. So you can see it's cutting off my name over here because it's only viewable on all devices like mobile and small portable devices. So this is the viewable for desktop. So I suggest you guys to put your all name on the middle, and you can get this on your mobile. All right, your name and everything on your mobile as well, which is very important. I missed that, so I would recommend you guys to drag this photo, or you can shrink this down like that, and you can take this every elements away from here. You can select this subscribe button as well. Holding shift will be good. So hold shift to select multiple elements, and you can bring this to really close. And I'm going to shrink this as well. And if you notice, it's also cutting off my how-to tutorials name tag over there. So going back to the banner, and I'm gonna drop this a little bit down, selecting using shift key, and I'm gonna bring this back a little down. Well, I'm happy with this. You can see right now. Now it's not cut it, so the cut it part is this one. So go back and bring this to up like that, and select this holding the shift button, and you can shrink this down like that. For social media, you will need to use very small because it's not good to use bigger font. Maybe like this much. Well, people won't notice the social media name on your banner because it's really small and it's not able to put all the social media on your YouTube banner. So let me re-download this. So scroll down, download, and click on download once again. All right, so this is giving me a same file name. I'm going to cancel this and change, and uploading the good one. And there you go, guys. So this is how you should be uploading your banner and creating a banner as well. So this is it, guys. So if I hold on viewable on TV, this is it, guys. This is the full view of my banner, and click on done. And this is it, guys. This is how you should be creating and uploading a good banner to YouTube. If you want to create like a good brand, you know, but creating this banner and your logo doesn't make you like a good or good YouTuber like that. So this is just to be like pretending to be a good YouTuber. But if you wanted to be a good YouTuber, then you guys will need to craft and create a good content over YouTube and wins the audience heart. All right, so that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.